This automatic ADA swing door had a leaking closer. It was still operating, but just barely. The building chose to replace it before failure. Our team removed the old LCN Doromatic operator and cleaned the frame, preparing it for a brand new system. The area was cleaned and rewired for a fresh start, ensuring a clean and secure foundation. We installed a record 8,100 heavy-duty operator with push arm, commercial-grade strength, ADA-compliant performance, and a smooth finish.
All right. It really looks much better now.
The result: a clean, reliable, accessible entry system, trusted by NYC professionals.